Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dominic, also known as TikTok. Today is August 8th. It's 808 Day, where we honor the legacy of the TR-808 drum machine. So to do that, today we're going to create a beat, and we're going to use Roland Zenbeats to create a beat. Now, Beatmaker 3 is my normal beat making app on the iOS iPad platform, but because it's 808 Day, we're going to use Zenbeats. They have tons of 808s in there, plus those classic Roland sounds. Also, we're going to do a little tribute to one of my favorite producers, DJ Toomp, who produced for T.I., Kanye, Jeezy, Mariah Carey, Nas. The list goes on. So many hits. So we're going to do a beat in the style of DJ Toomp. Hopefully, it's in the style of DJ Toomp. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you like content like this. And without further ado, let's get into the beat. All right, so we have Zenbeats here. Let's get into a new song. Tons of different kits that they have, but we want an 808. Some are labeled 808 and they sound just like that. They're just different variations of the 808 affected in different types of ways. Let's hit this trap kit. All right, let's start with this guy. All right, and let's set a tempo. We're going to set a tempo for 150 maybe. We want it to be a little upbeat. Change the pattern length to be 2 bars instead of 1 bar. Let's go to the second page and we'll change the pattern up a little bit. All right, let's do some hi-hat rolls here. Subdivide. Let's do some on this page. All right. What else? Let's do some pitch changes. And then do some little kind of random pitch changes here and there to kind of vary it up. All right, let's see, what else can we add? So let's pitch this down a little bit. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see, let's run it. Okay, so that's the drum pattern using 808s straight out of Zenbeats. Let's add some other elements. We're going to add a piano and some other little melodic stuff as well. So let's get to it. So let's look for a piano sound here. Let's go with the bright piano because it'll probably cut a little bit through the mix. Here another little piano part, so let's add another piano. Let's use the ZC1. Let's use a different piano. Let's try this healing piano. What is this? All right, so it's a little darker, so we'll use that guy. Duplicate copy. Not really what I wanted. Let's see if we can add a little sauce to it. Let's add some effects. Let's try that. Let's roll with that for now. We just wanted to add something different. I want to look for some type of loop to just kind of throw in there in the background. So let's find a loop. So here are tons of loops. Let's see, I think there was a specific one. That's a nice, cool starter loop. Kind of like this one actually. Let's see how this sounds with it. You know what? Let's change the tempo. I want a little faster. Cool, cool, cool. All right, get some other elements in here. I think I hear some type of synth type of movement thing that could happen in the background. So let's see if we can find something like that. Let's look in our loops again and see what we can find. Let's see. Maybe synth. It's pretty cool. Let's try that. I want to come up with a melody, and you know, you can't have a DJ Toomp beat in that TI era without some horns. You got to have some horns. So let's find some horns. All right, we're going to do an octave up now. All right, so let's hype it up just a little bit more. We're going to add some effects to this brass line. Let's turn down the mix. All right, so that's essentially the beat. We added some 808 drums to it, created a pattern. Kind of typical of what DJ Toomp might have done in that TI kind of era. Also added some pianos, stacked those, layered those, added some effects to them. Then we added some drum loops to kind of fill in the in-betweens and in the background, kind of sit there and add some other rhythmic elements there. And we added that melodic synth line and filtered it a little bit. I had to kind of work with that one. I think it was mislabeled for the BPM, so it didn't time stretch right, but I eventually got it. And then we added those melodic horns that DJ Toomp is kind of known for during that kind of trap, T.I. Jeezy type of era. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, don't forget to like as well as subscribe. Even share the video if you will. I'm going to mess with this beat a little more, but I'll let it play out at the end of the video so you can check it out. So I'll see you guys in the next one.